Hi, I'm Christian Berger. I'm the production manager over at TV4, which is the media department for the city of Bullhead City. Myself and my crew this year will be running photography camp at the Bullhead City summer camps. Our camp's going to be running week 1 and week 3. We're going to be teaching the fundamental photography skills like composure, lighting, sort of things that can be transferred to improving photography on a phone, but we're also going to be using a professional style camera, teaching the students how to handle it, how to assemble it, how to be safe with it, and how to take some awesome quality photos. And they can then transfer those skills into their personal life and their hobby if they do get a camera or if they just want to improve what their cell phone shots look like. We're going to be shooting all different kinds of photos throughout the week, and then at the end of the week we're going to give the kids an opportunity to display and show off their photos to the whole camp and really have a good time. This is our 3rd year running a camp at the summer camp program, and every year it just seems to get better and more exciting. We're so looking forward to having the opportunity to teach kids a new skill, a new hobby, and possibly something that they could pursue and do as a career in the future. It's really awesome to see kids and young people sort of discover different ways to express themselves outside of traditional art forms like drawing or painting. We look forward to teaching our camp again this year. We look forward to seeing you all there, and we hope to really enjoy seeing your photos.
Doesn't that sound like an awesome time? If you're interested in anything that you heard at today's video or any of our other amazing camps, please visit us at bullheadcity.com/recdesk to register. If you have any questions about this year's summer camp program, contact me, Claire Adams, Senior Recreation Supervisor and Summer Camp Manager. You can reach me by phone at 928-763-0158, email at cadams@bullheadcityaz.gov, or come visit us at our Optimum Community Center at 2380 Optimum Way. Don't let summer break pass you by. Take advantage of our wonderful program and enter your summer camp era today.